Hey everyone, on this week's Mondays with Megan, I have another great tip for Outlook. This is going to help with cleaning up your inbox and having it feel less cluttered and more organized. So this week I want to share with you guys something that's super easy. When you're looking at your inbox, you can right click on an email and click Categorize. You can click an existing category or make a new one. So if you have like project A going on and then project B going on at the same time and different emails need to go into different categories based on what they have to do with, this is a super easy way to organize them. And you can actually put an email in multiple categories. So if it has to do with project A and project B, you can categorize it both ways. I hope this tech tip is super helpful. As always, we're here to make your guys' life more easier, especially when it comes to technology. For more information, feel free to reach out to me directly at megan@easyit.com, and make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel so you can stay up to date on the latest tech tips. Have a great week, everyone.